In this video, we're going to solve this question. The question is, write a program in 8085 to copy data from memory location 3000H to 4000H. So the question says that there is some 8-bit data in memory location 3000H. I basically need to copy the same content to 4000H. Okay, so how do we proceed with this question? So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to do this using STA LDA first, and then subsequently we'll do the same with STAX and LDAX. You can either choose any one of them or maybe even combine both of these instructions in one particular program. So now we start with STA LDA first. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to load this 8-bit data in our accumulator. So for that, our first instruction is going to be LDA 3000H. So what this is going to do is load the 8-bit content or 8-bit data from 3000H to accumulator. Now, since I also have instruction for saving data from accumulator to another memory address, which is STA 4000H, and then I'm going to terminate my program using HLT instruction. So this is the complete solution for this particular question using STA and LDA. We know that STX and LDX works in the same way as STA and LDA does. So solving this with STX, what we're going to do is we're going to first load our address in any of the register pairs. Let's do this in BC pair at first. So 30H MVI C, 00H. Now we can load our data into the accumulator using LDAXP. So our data from memory address 3000H is an accumulator. Now to store the data, we're going to use STAX. So for that, I'm again going to use the same pair, or we'll do another pair for now. 40H MVI E, 00H, and then STAXD, which means the data from the accumulator is going to be sent to address 4000H into the memory, and then I'm going to terminate the program. So both of these provide us the solution for this particular question.